Staring out at the sea, the myriad thoughts start tumbling in my head. The waves, they roll in rhythmically, an ebb and flow that looks simple, yet it's so much more complex, isn't it? They're like nature's symphony, a module of continuous loop brought to life by gravitational pull, wind, and Earth's rotation. Not unlike the life of crabs. Oh, there we have it again. I blinked, my eyes drawn to the sprinkle of red and orange specks on the damp sandy beach. The crabs, a never-ending kaleidoscope of life's fascinating ability to adapt, to diversify. It's admirable how these little crustaceans permeate the nooks and corners of my mind. The gritty texture of the sand beneath my feet, a sensation as profound as an existential question, reminding me of the barren, persistent landscapes these crabs flourish in. Their home, fostering a myriad of life forms, an emblem of adaptability, tenacity. It's captivating. Yes, life's pretty amazing now, isn't it? I shake my head, attempting to pull away from claws of my fascination. Sea breeze, a sharp tang of salt. I draw in a deep breath, feeling the air as it fills my lungs. It's calming, refreshing, uncanny. Much like Doesn't the smell of the sea remind me of crabs? Of course it does. Time is like the relentless waves, isn't it? It comes and goes, wrapping around us, shaping us over the ages as it has these beautiful, resilient creatures. They're truly ancient, aren't they? Since the Jurassic period, in fact. In that, too, there's a dull pang of familiarity. Evolution is an incredible thing. It's gifted these crabs with shells, powerful claws, and an uncanny ability in foraging. I am in awe of their skills, their innate nature to survive. Crabs, it seems, are my constant. In the darkness of night, underneath the dreamy drapes of the universe, and in the hustle-bustle of daily life, they endure, not unlike us humans and our aspirations. But let's not digress there. I gaze at the sea again, its vast expanse a beautiful mystery, a water body teeming with life, where below, crabs occupy countless crevices on the sea floor. The ocean's heart plays a ceaseless melody to these inhabitants, its rhythm as unpredictable as our human heartbeats, a parallel so subtle it's almost comforting. Sunset hues are starting to wrap themselves around the ocean's surface, their ethereal dance of colors reflected in the carapaces of shoreline crabs. Oh, the variety! From the small but feisty fiddlers to the massive Alaskan king crabs, each unique, each remarkable. It's indeed a crab lover's utopia, I'd say. A mosaic of thoughts, myriad as the different species of crabs, each idea skittering around in my mind, bound by an unseen leash of my obsession. Focus, I remind myself, like a mantra lost to the wisdom of the waves. Conversations about relationships, about successes and failures, links back to my life. They're just as intricately connected as ecosystems in ways we are just beginning to understand. Somehow, life always finds a way, doesn't it? Much like the crabs, eking out an existence in the harshest of environments. They're pincers, a tool and a weapon, a parallel to our minds, to protect, to obtain, to adapt. I kick a small mound of sand, watching as it envelops a small crab burrow. A temporary impediment. The crab, I knew, would dig its way out eventually. Always resilient, these creatures. We could learn something from them, no doubt. The crabs, their lives and behaviors, instead of being a distraction, could serve as some strange metaphorical guiding compass to face life and its vast sea of adversities as those powerful waves pulling back into the sea embody the exact feeling of my thoughts attempting to pull away from crabs. But the tide always returns, as do my thoughts, forever entwined, forever fascinating. Yes, it's the crabs, always the crabs. It's all a part of this strange symphony, undeniably wondrous and mystifying. I wouldn't have it any other way.